Hi. You want to read a book? Where's the cow? Can you show Mommy the cow? Where's the moo cow? Show me the cow. I see it. Where's the cow? Where's the cow? I see the cow. Right here. Moo. Moo. Yeah. What else do we have? Where's the duck? Good job. What does Ducky say? What does Duck say? You don't feel like doing noises? Okay. Yeah, where's the monkey? Show me the monkey. Where's monkey? Beth? Where's monkey? I know he's in there somewhere. Where's monkey? Show me the monkey. Good job. You found him. There he is. Yeah, where's the bear? Good job. What does bear say? Grrr. Grrr. What do we have here? We have a flower. Shell. What else is there? What does the lion say? Roar. Roar. Where's the puppies? Show me the doggies. Show me the doggies. Where's Doggy? Where is he? No. Where's Doggy? Want me to find him? Where is it, Doggy? Show me Doggy. Good job. Where's the cat? Yeah. Where's the kitty cat? The kitty cat. Good job right here. What does the kitty cat say?
Daddy.
Meow.
Daddy.
No, not the dog.